Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about my favorite wig at the moment. And last year I know I didn't do my top wigs of 2017, but if I had, rest assured this unit would have been #1 on my list. The only second runner-up would have been BL wig. But this wig is everything I love in a unit. It is easy to install, it's lazy girl friendly. No fuss, but it has a good amount of glam going on with it. It's just a very, very pretty wig. So this is my second time trying her. This is Sensationnel Kailyn. I have her in the color #2, and today's review is being brought to you by HairsoFly.com. They were so kind to send this unit out, so I'll leave the link down to it below so you guys can check it out if you haven't yet, because I'm telling you, it is a beautiful unit. So the party on Kailyn is really great out the box. All you need to do is add powder if you choose to. You don't have to glue her down. You don't have to add hairspray, got to be glued, any of that stuff. She blends seamlessly into the hairline. It does have soft lace, so it is gentle as well. It's big head friendly. I have it on the largest and it feels extremely comfortable on me. Now the only minor flaw I found with this unit is that it can hump up a bit here, but it's very easy to fix with heat. Now not all of them hump, because this one is in a #2 and is not as humpy as my 1B30, which is the first one I tried, which is good. But again, all you have to do is add heat or tie her down for like 15 minutes and she will tame. The luster of this hair is natural out of the box, and as far as styling her, it's simple. You can leave the curls as is, which is kind of what I did in my first review, or you can comb them out with a wide tooth comb, which is what I did with this one. And as you can see, the integrity of the curl is still there, but it gives it more body. The density is a great everyday density as well. I'm not getting much shedding. I'm getting slight tangles, but nothing, crazy. It's about 22 inches long. I am 5'4". And this unit is adjustable, so you can wear it up the middle, left, right. So this is gonna be it for my second go around with Kailyn. I hope you guys found it helpful in case you missed the first review. This unit is gorgeous, like I keep saying, and it is actually what I wore on Valentine's Day, this whole look. So she's date night approved, she's everyday friendly if you're okay with wearing a lengthy wig every day. She's weekend friendly. She's just a really good unit. And I can't stress that enough. So until next time, guys, which will be really, really, really soon. See ya.